Integrated Review 12.6. In this lecture video, let's take a look at the US and metric equivalents for measure of volume. Now, before I begin, I would like to explain this real quick. What's the difference? What's the relationship between volume and capacity? All right. Basically, volume is referring to a space. Okay, space that are inside of a container. All right. So volume we always say cubic. Okay. So space inside of a container. So many cubic feet, cubic inch, cubic meter, and such. Capacity is referring to how much liquid. All right. How much liquid can pour into the container. So basically, capacity is referring to the liquid part. Volume is basically take a look at the space perspective. So, the saying, bigger the cup, more drink we have. Well, that means more space I have in my cup, more what? More capacity or more drinks I can pour inside of it. So they are practically talking about the same thing. It just one is in space, one of them is talking about actual liquid. Okay, but they are basically equivalent to each other. So when it comes to converting between volume, all right, we cannot help ourselves to begin to talk about its capacity as well, how much liquid can go in there. All right, so that's the reason why here on the left side I got US to metric capacities. So some of them has cubic, which is space. Some of them has capacity measurements here. So that's the reason why you see we are looking at space, and we're also looking at capacity as well. So let's take a look. If I have a 70 cubic inch with a space, I need to convert into cubic meter. All right, that's actually equivalent to so many cubic meter of space in terms of metric. All right, so let's see. US cubic inch goes straight to cubic centimeter here. So let's think about this, okay? Let me put this down. Right now, my conversion chart show me cubic inch goes straight to cubic centimeter. The question is, can I go from cubic centimeter to cubic inch? So this is a metric measurement of volume. That means metric convert to metric in terms of volume. Cubic centimeter to cubic meter. Cubic meter right here, cubic centimeter right here. So yes, I am able to convert cubic meter. I am able to convert between cubic meter and cubic centimeter. So I will use that one, and I will use this one here. Cubic inch to cubic centi. All right, so let's write it out real quick, just like what we did with the areas. So I'm gonna say 70 cubic inch over 1 times cubic inch down here. Need to convert to cubic centimeter, and then we will times another fraction. Don't really want cubic centimeter up there, so put a 1 down here so you can cancel each other out. Cubic centimeter convert to cubic meter. So let's see. All right, 1 cubic meter is a million cubic centimeters. All right, cubic inch, 1 cubic inch, 16.387. 16.387. All right, let me double check my numbers real quick. Cubic inch. All right, that's correct. So cubic inch cancels out. Cubic centimeter also cancels out. So let's multiply these two numbers on top, then divide it by million. So 70 times 16.387 first, divided by million. 1 was 60. 5, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My answer. Oh, very small. Point round to the nearest thousand, so that would be 0.001. All right, 10 hundred thousands, 0.001. cubic meters. All right, let's try a few more. Same thing, okay? What number of liters? Liters is capacity for matrix. Is equivalent to 23 cubic inch. So I'm basically taking cubic inch, which is volume for US, into convert into liter, which is metric for capacity. Alright, cubic inch, I know, starting off with the US, cubic inch can take me straight to cubic centimeter already. I know that. The question is, how can I take cubic centimeter to end up to be a liter? Cubic centimeter to liter. Well, down here is liquid volume and equivalent. So here I got liter. Alright, I need to end up with liter. Liter is a 1-to-1 ratio with cubic deci. So that means I need to take my cubic centi to cubic deci, and then that will be a 1-to-1 ratio to liter. So this time I gotta go through 2 other units before I can reach mine. So how can I go from cubic centi to cubic deci? Cubic centi to cubic deci. So let me highlight, okay? Let me highlight this. So liter to cubic deci. Up here is cubic centi to cubic deci. Cubic right here, cubic centi to cubic deci. That's a 1 to 1,000 ratio. Okay. So I think I got myself here a path. So let's give it a try. Okay. Start out with 25 cubic inch over 1 times. All right, another fraction. Put my cubic inch down here. Need to go to cubic centi times. All right. Put my cubic centimeter down here. Put my cubic deci up there. Now I know cubic deci to cubic to liter is a 1-to-1 ratio, so I'm not gonna write another one, because whatever my answer is in terms of cubic deci, that's a 1-to-1 as how many liters I will have. So that just saved me writing another one. Because if I write times 1 over 1, that make no difference. You know what? I will do it. I will write it so we know it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, so I know that's a 1-to-1 ratio already. But at least my cubic deci will cancel out, so you see I end up with liter. Alright, so this is 1 cubic inch for 16.387 cubic centi right up here. Oh, that's cubic right here. Alright, let's see what this one said. 1 to 1,000. 1 cubic deci is to 1,000. Alright. So let's work this out. Alright, cubic inch cancels out, cubic centi cancels out, cubic deci will also cancels out. 25 times 16.387, that will be 409, then really just divide by 1,000. My answer, point, round to nearest thousands, 0.410. The 6 and 9 go up, so that'll be 0.410. That's my answer, 0.410 liter. Okay, not even half a liter. Alrighty, let's see. What number of milliliter? What number of milliliter is equivalent? This is strange. This is not even volume. This is actually a capacity. 350 cubic foot with a space is equal to how many milliliter of capacity? How much liquid can pour into 350 cubic feet? Well, let's see. Cubic feet can take me straight to, let's see, cubic feet can take me straight to cubic meter. All right. So once I'm at cubic meter, how do I convert cubic meter to milliliters? Well, here I got 1 milliliter is 1 cubic centimeter. Okay, so that's a 1-to-1 ratio. So that means I need to take my cubic meter to convert it to cubic centimeter. Cubic meter is right here, convert to cubic centimeter, which is a million. 1 to million ratio. So here we go. Gotta go through cubic meter, then go through cubic centi. So take me to cubic meter, and then go to cubic centi, and then I can do a 1-to-1 ratio to milli. Alright, so 350 cubic feet over 1 times, alright, put my cubic feet right down here, cubic centimeter up there, times cubic meter down here, cubic centi up here is 1 to a million ratio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, and times, alright, cubic centimeter down here to milliliter. By the way, cubic centimeter is stand for cc. So 1 cc or 1 cubic centimeter is the same as 1 milliliters. Alright, so cubic feet to cubic meter. That would be 0.028. That's 1 to 0.028. Alright, that cancels out. This cancels out. Alright, so this problem just straight up 350 times that times a million. 350 times 0.028 times a million. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Voila. 98 with 5 zeros. 3, 4, 5. All right, so that would be 9,800,000 milliliters. All right, this very last one is go from liters capacity for metric capacity, convert into so many gallons. So this is capacity to capacity. Let's see what I got here. Liter to gallon. So metric to US. I got to look on the right side. Liter to gallon. That's 1 to 0.264. Liter to gallon. So that's 37. So I don't have to go through anybody else. So I can go straight from liter to gallon. So 1 liter, what was that? 264 gallon. All right, liter will cancel out. So 37 times 0.264. There you go. 9.768. Round to nearest 1,000. 9.768. 68 gallon. All right. Okay, so this lecture video, we quickly talk about the conversion between the US and the metric, okay, volume and capacity equivalent. All right, that will conclude this lecture video. Thank you for watching.